Hi, it's Topman Paul-Dike, and this is how my contact book application works. It was built with Python Tkinter. If you view the list is empty right now. So let's add a new contact. If I try to save this with the fields empty, I get the error that says the name and phone fields cannot be empty. Now, if I try to save without the number, I get the same error because both fields are compulsory. Otherwise, the contact wouldn't be saved. And these other fields are optional, so it will work this time. It says new contact successfully saved. Let's go and view it. Here it is. I can click here to see details, contact details, right? Notice I can't edit here. It is read only, right? And then notice that it displayed the date and time of creation, and then because it has not been modified, it says contact not yet modified. I'm going to edit it right now so you see what happens. Now I'm going to try putting an invalid email address, topman.com. See what happens. It refuses and ask for a valid email address. So let's make that email address look valid. Now it will work. So let me add an address. The contact has been successfully updated. That's interesting, right? Now let's view the details again. Everything is here. You can see the dates now. The last modified date is now appearing. That's quite interesting, isn't it? Now to demonstrate other features, I will need to add plenty of contacts. So let's do that. Now I've added all these contacts off the camera, and I think I'm going to add one more. By the way, you can add from here. Click this button. It takes you to the same field. Okay, now let's try to add a number that's a contact with an email that is already existing and see what happens. So if I put the name here and the phone number here and paste the email that I copied, it gives me this error. So I will have to modify that email for it to save. Let's try also saving a new contact that has a phone number that is already existing in the database. Now let's try the search feature and see how it works. I can search by name, I can search by number, both works. So if I type in a name here, I get a result that has that name in it, and you can see it says refresh. I can click here as well to refresh the list. Alright, so if I want to search by number, let's say I want to see all my Nigerian contacts, so I put Nigerian country code. You see it says I have 2 of them. Let's see the details and confirm whether it is so. See, we have it here, and then for this one it's also here, plus 2, 3, 4. Whether or not to add plus, if I put number there, it will search for numbers. If I put name, it will search for names. Okay, let's refresh this. Now observe what happens if I come here to edit and I don't select anyone. It will not run. It will tell me, give me this error, no contact selected. Same for details and same for delete as well. So let's try deleting a contact. I will select this contact, Andrew, click on delete. It shows this warning. If I say yes, it goes ahead to delete. Right, so you can see the contact is no more there, it's gone. Let me delete one more immediate blessing, Paul-Dike. Alright, the same warning is gone, no more there, it's been deleted. Have you observed what happens when an error is thrown, that the background turns black? So that background color toggle is intentional. Did you also observe that the title here is add new contact, but if I'm editing it says update contact information? Meanwhile, it's the same place, it's the same field. You can take a look at my source code on GitHub, and here also are instructions on how to install this app and let it run, have it run on your computer like this, the way it's running now. Thank you very much for watching.